Hey everyone! If your IRCTC Rail Connect app is showing a Developer Mode Enabled error and you're unable to open or use the app, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy fix to get it working again. Just follow each step carefully. First, open your phone's settings. Start by finding the Settings app on your phone and open it. Once you're inside Settings, look toward the top of the screen. You should see a search option. Tap on the search bar and type Developer Options. When the Developer Options setting appears in the search results, tap on it. Now, this is the important part. Look for the main Developer Options switch at the top of the page. If it's currently enabled, simply turn it off. Make sure Developer Options is completely disabled before moving on to the next step. This is important because the IRCTC app may prevent you from using the app while Developer Mode is enabled. Once you've turned Developer Options off, restart your phone. Simply switch your phone off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. After your phone has restarted, find the IRCTC Rail Connect app and open it again. You should now be able to see that the app opens normally and the Developer Mode Enabled message should no longer appear. And that's it. By simply turning off Developer Options and restarting your phone, you should be able to fix the IRCTC Developer Mode Enabled error and use the IRCTC Rail Connect app normally again. If this video helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.